Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is:
How would your result have differed if you had added over-titrated added drops of NaOH to the analyte beyond the stoichiometric equivalence point? Explain your answer. The answer of the question is: if you over-titrated by adding drops of NaOH beyond the stoichiometric equivalence point, your result would be inaccurate in the following ways. 1. Higher volume of NaOH recorded. Over-titration means that more NaOH would be added than necessary to neutralize the acetic acid in the vinegar. As a result, the volume of NaOH recording would be larger than the actual volume needed to reach the equivalence point. 2. Inaccurate concentration calculation. Since the titration calculation is based on the volume of NaOH required to reach the equivalence point, the extra volume would lead to an overestimation of the concentration of acetic acid in the vinegar. The calculated concentration would be higher than the true concentration. 3. Increased percent error. The over-titration would cause a significant deviation from the true value, leading to a higher percent error when comparing your results to the known or expected concentration. To avoid this, it is important to carefully monitor the color change of the indicators and stop titration as soon as the endpoint is reached without adding excess NaOH. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.